Two hearts beat as one, yet so bold. One brings light, one brings night, in a never-ending, losing fight. Love is patient, love is kind, bringing joy and peace of mind. Hate, on the other hand, brings pain, a fire that spreads, again and again. The heart beats with a passionate roar, when love is present, forevermore. But when hate takes hold, it tears apart, leaving wounds that scar the heart. Oh, how love can conquer all, with a touch that breaks down walls. But hate, with its destructive force, can bring the strongest to their course. Love and hate, intertwined and cursed, in a battle that can never be reversed. So choose wisely, which one you embrace, for it will shape your life, your fate.